Good afternoon, June the 26th, 2015. First off, I'd like to announce that I will not be here for June the 29th through July the 3rd. I'm going to take a week's vacation. Well, almost, but I'll still be putting the research in the room. I'll put my levels out, try to get it up there for all of them, but they won't have the depth and breadth that we have had before. And as an extra added benefit, I'll be able to see sunrise in the Sierras, which I haven't done since the early 60s. We came in today basically wanting to sell 99s to 01s. This is our sell zone. Our buy zone was 85 to 92. This is our first buy level. Right in here was buy 1. This was buy 2. So we caught the edges of the market pretty well. The first trade that we saw this morning was a sell. We thought there was one sell left in the market to retest the overnight session lows, and there was at least two sells left in the market. So retest failure trade or S, both of them were plus. Come off this below the mean green line, a buy, a plus. This was a trade. It's not really prescribed in our methodology. We don't talk about it. We said we're going to try a V top spread sell right here. That was a scratch in real time. It would have given you just 3 points if you'd stayed with it, which was our expectancy. Right here on a retest failure, a plus trade on an S right here was a loser. This buy produced a winner. These S's produced a small winner. Retest failure, small winner. S, big winner. S, big winner. So the idea and the levels were absolutely correct, and the software did its job for you. So pretty good day trading, all things considered. Looking at the F1 screen, what will Monday bring? Lower high, lower low. We should be looking for places to sell it first. Now we do have the Greek decision coming on Monday. Or, well, maybe we do, maybe we don't. Germany's Merkel, who's picking up the tab for Greece, has said that Monday is it. That's your deadline. Take it or leave it. So we have a P put in backwards. Now what's a P put in backwards? A P in a down market is short covering. Who would be covering the shorts right now? Well, we might have a Greek deal come Monday morning. The markets are saying we are going to have a Greek deal come Monday morning. Certainly before Tuesday, and it's also the end of the second quarter. So right now the trade's really the same, selling 2100 plus or minus, selling 2105 plus or minus. On the buy side, we've really rejected prices below 90, so there are 90 plus or minus will be buy 1, and then our 85, 87 will be buy 2. So if we don't crack the market, crack it lower on Monday, I don't think we will, just because of second quarter closings. The news on Monday will be pending home sales in the Dallas Fed. The pending sales number could come in higher than forecast. I don't know what the forecast is. Wasn't up yet, but the housing numbers have been coming in stronger than forecast as of late. Okay, looking at the note, just got hammered today. It was option expiration coming in. Thought that we might close it at 25.16. That's where the market makers would make their most money. It closed at 125 even. The math close for the note was between 125 and 126. So mathematically that was 125.16. Lower high, lower low, you're looking for a place to be a seller. If the Greek deal is off, it'll probably rally back a little bit. But this market, there's been a lot of things going on in this market, and part of it might be that higher interest rates, no matter what the Fed does, are here and or coming. Definitely a B, definitely selling. So down to the Greek deal. as to where we go. I'm guessing a pause day. Last rotate up stopped at 25.04. 4.5 to as high as 8. So selling 3s to 7s, sell 1. Selling 11 to 15, sell 2. Pending home sales is the number. It doesn't usually change much. 29 to 25, buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 2. What's gold going to do? I think gold is just awaiting something out of the EU. Structurally, the market is pointed lower, no doubt. Lower high, lower low, so the first trade is to sell. We're getting no follow through to the downside, and you have to ask yourself why. And I think a lot of it's what's going to happen in Greece. So we have a P put in backwards, short covering at the end of the week. Where will the selling start? Well, we've had a pretty good seller against 80, so this 80 to 85 area is probably where resistance is. So a sell 78 to 80, sell 1, let them get just come back up and retest this level. 84, 86, sell 2. On the buy side, we're back to where we were this morning, 68, 60 to 70, buy 1. And then our 65 plus or minus. Okay, Peter said he would keep the room open next week. You can tell him what you want to see in it. Rich Gender said he would be on next Thursday for the crude oil traders. So if you have any ideas, what do you think about the bond market, golds, crude, whatever, you can post them in the room in the chat and see what happens. Don't be shy. It'll be a race, so it's not like you're in the fishbowl forever. And for our visitors, your 5-day free visit was cut short, so on July the 6th I will be back, so you can come back in and have the 6th through the 10th too. Okay, crude oil is kind of interesting. The bottom doesn't fall out of the market. I mean, every morning you wake up and you read about how the world is awash in crude oil, but yet the market doesn't fall out of bed like you can see over it did in November and December. War has broken out pretty much over the entire Middle East, but the next dictator doesn't want the oil wells destroyed either, so he can live large for as long as Allah wills. The oil is flowing. Iran is about to have the sanctions lifted. We've even now are approving the latest in technology for making atomic weapons. Isn't that something? We're going to give them 150 billion bucks. Release all that. We're going to allow them to get the latest weapons technology. We're not allowed to inspect anything on their military bases. I mean, this is a hell of a deal, and undoubtedly what it'll do, it will, besides giving Iran the nuke, which they probably already have, Saudi Arabia and the Gulf states will have their own nukes and missiles too. And Pakistan is a Sunni state, and to jumpstart the process, they'll probably buy that weaponry from Pakistan. So, crude oil, as far as the fundamentals go, minus war, there's going to be more supply than demand. That normally takes prices down. Okay, all over the map, today we had a hell of a rally in the E period. And so basically we're looking at Bs all the way down. So if we're to put all of this together, right there you can see that as long as we stay below 60, this market can sell. So 59, 75, 60, sell 1. Then 50 to 75, sell 2. Pick up this area right up in here. For me, the key is going to be 60. 58, 75, 59, buy 1. 58 even, 58 and a quarter, buy 2. And the euro. When they think they have a deal where Greece is not going to go officially into default tomorrow, the E-mini rallies, then the realization of what has just hit them comes in, how much money it's going to cost, then it sells. So in any event, with or without a Greek deal, the market should sell. And you can see right here, lower high, lower low, the F1 screen says sell it. F2, definitely a B, looking for a place to sell it. So 112 even, plus or minus, sell 1, 12.25, sell 2. On the buy side, I think it's going a little bit lower, so 11.25 to 35, buy 1. Let them get stops just beneath that. Then 111 even for buy 2. Folks, it's been a great week. We've had some good trading. I've really enjoyed my time with the new people. Great questions. Looking forward to doing it again starting July the 6th. I will supply some research. It'll be posted on our website in my absence, assuming that I've got Wi-Fi and everything I need when I get to where I'm going. So I wish you all a great week. You all have fun next week, and I'm going to have a good time with the entire family, and looking forward to July the 6th. Y'all are welcome to the room next week and the week after that to make up for my absence. We'll kick it off after that. So with that said, I'm out of here, and wishing y'all trading. Good trading. Later.